Welcome. In today's session, we will go through a complete blackhead removal and deep skincare cleaning routine, explained step by step in a calm and easy-to-follow way. Blackheads are one of the most common skin concerns. They appear when pores become clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, and impurities. When this clogged pore is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns dark, forming what we call a blackhead. Step 1. Preparing the skin. Before touching the face, preparation is essential. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Clean hands prevent bacteria from transferring to the skin. Tie back hair and remove all makeup, sunscreen, or surface products using a gentle makeup remover or micellar water. The skin must be completely free of surface dirt before deep cleansing begins. Step 2. Gentle surface cleanser. Apply a mild facial cleanser suitable for your skin type. Massage the cleanser onto damp skin using circular motions. Start from the forehead, move to the nose, gently massage the cheeks, finish with the chin and jawline. This step removes surface oil, pollution, sweat, light impurities. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Step 3. Warm steam therapy. Steam is one of the most important steps for blackhead removal. Warm steam helps to open pores, soften blackheads, loosen trapped oil and debris. Allow steam to touch the face for 5 to 8 minutes. Keep a safe distance to avoid burns. If you have sensitive skin, reduce steaming time. After steaming, the skin is relaxed and ready for deeper cleansing. Step 4. Skin analysis. Now we observe the skin closely. Focus on nose, chin, forehead, cheek pores. Identify open blackheads, whiteheads, congested pores, oil-heavy areas. This step ensures that extraction is targeted and controlled, not random. Step 5. Applying exfoliating gel or enzyme cleanser. Apply a gentle exfoliating gel or enzyme-based exfoliant. Massage softly using fingertips. No harsh pressure, no scratching, no over-rubbing. Exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells, prevent pore blockage, smooth skin texture. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wipe gently with a damp cotton pad. Step 6. Softening solution or toner. Apply a pore softening solution or alcohol-free toner. This step softens hardened oil inside pores, makes blackhead extraction easier, reduces trauma to the skin. Let the product sit for 2 minutes. Step 7. Safe blackhead extraction, manual method. Now we move to extraction. Warning sign important. Never use nails directly on the skin. Use clean tissue, cotton pads, sterilized extractor tool. Gently press around the blackhead. Apply slow, even pressure. If it doesn't come out easily, stop. Never force extraction. Blackhead should release smoothly if the skin is properly prepared. This process may take time. Patience is key. Step 8. Whitehead removal, if present. Whiteheads should only be removed if they are fully mature. A sterile needle may be used to gently open the surface, followed by light pressure. If a whitehead does not release easily, leave it alone. Over-extraction causes redness, scarring, infection. Professional care is always safer. Step 9. Deep pore cleansing massage. After extraction, apply a calming cleansing cream or gel. Massage gently to remove leftover residue, improve blood circulation, relax facial muscles. Use upward and outward strokes. This step helps the skin recover from extraction. Step 10. Cooling toner application. Apply a cooling toner to close pores, reduce redness, restore skin pH. Use cotton pads and press lightly into the skin. Avoid rubbing. Step 11. Clay or charcoal mask. Apply a clay or charcoal mask evenly across the face. This mask helps to absorb excess oil, detoxify pores, prevent future blackheads. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. As the mask dries, you may feel tightening. This is normal. Rinse gently with lukewarm water. Step 12. Soothing gel or aloe vera. Apply aloe vera gel or a soothing serum. This step calms irritation, hydrates skin, reduces redness. Massage gently until fully absorbed. Step 13. Hydrating serum. Even oily skin needs hydration. Apply a lightweight hydrating serum containing hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, panthenol. Hydration balances oil production and keeps pores healthy. Step 14. Moisturizer application. Apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer. This seals in hydration and protects the skin barrier. Massage gently using upward strokes. Step 15. Eye cream, optional. Apply a small amount of eye cream around the eyes using tapping motions. Avoid dragging the skin. Step 16. Sunscreen, daytime routine. If this routine is done during the day, sunscreen is essential. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Sun protection prevents pigmentation, pore enlargement, premature aging. Step 17. Post-care instructions. After blackhead removal, avoid touching your face. Avoid makeup for 24 hours. Avoid sun exposure. Avoid harsh products. Let the skin breathe and heal naturally. Step 18. Weekly skincare maintenance. To prevent blackheads, cleanse twice daily, exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week, use clay masks weekly, keep skin hydrated. Consistency is more important than intensity. Step 19. Common mistakes to avoid. Never squeeze pores aggressively, use pore strips too often, skip moisturizer over exfoliate. These habits damage the skin barrier.